At Advanced Collision Repair, we pride ourselves on offering convenient, top-notch vehicle repairs in the Twin Cities area. Whether it's major damage or minor, our team of experts will get you back on the road safely. Our signature hassle-free experience covers the entire repair process. It all starts with our online estimating. You can simply submit photos of the damage through our website. We then work directly with your insurance company to determine a quote for the claim. We electronically provide you all the required forms and authorizations. You can then safely drop off your vehicle during or after hours, allowing for minimal or no contact. We also offer a free pickup and delivery service, so you never even have to leave home. If needed, we provide free courtesy vehicles. We offer a wide selection of sedans and SUVs from our loaner car fleet, keeping you on the road while we make repairs. Every vehicle is cleaned and sanitized upon arrival and then again before it's returned. Our team of specialists will then use the latest methods and technologies to restore your vehicle. At Advanced Collision Repair, we care about your safety and are committed to providing a hassle-free repair experience. If your vehicle is in need of repairs, give us a call at one of our convenient locations or submit a free estimate at advancedcollisionmn.com.